thanks for these 4 people behind me becoming some lifelong friends that I know I'll have forever, and on this long journey of joining the best profession there is.
Wow, what a wild ride that was, huh? There's certain people in here that believed in me way before I did, and you know who you are. And just from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank you for, believing me, you know, before I did.
Y'all all had a part of these last 3.5 years, and it's been amazing. It's been a lot. Thanks for putting up with me, and we made it. Thanks all.
Thank you so much. We wouldn't be here without you guys. You're what makes this whole schooling experience go and produce more chiropractors and get out there in the field and change more lives. So all of you, thank you.
Thanks to everybody that helped us get this far. It's been fun. That's pretty much it.
Everybody get in?
Let's get it down!